Alright, still factoring out a monomial, and we're going to be looking at doing 9v cubed minus 6v squared. So we know they have a 3 in common, so they both can be divided by 3. So we're going to take out a 3. And then we also see that this one has v cubed and this one has v squared. So we know that 2 v's are here, 3 v's are here. We're going to go ahead and take out 2 v's, so v squared. So remember, by taking out 2 here, leaves you with 1. And then, of course, taking out a 3 here leaves you with another 3. So 3v minus, and then taking out a 3 from the 6 leaves you with the 2. And we already took out v squared here, so which leaves you with just the 2. Now over here, we have a 9t plus a 6. Notice the second one has no variable, so we can't take any variables out this time, so we're only going to be looking at taking out a number. In this case, we're going to be looking at taking out, since this one was also a 9 and a 6, we know that the 3 comes out of this. There will be no variable, so we know the t is going to be left here. And then same thing, 9 and 3 leaves you with a 3. And then the 3 and the 6 leaves you with a 2. And then for the final one of this video, looks very similar. You got 4w cubed minus a 4w squared. Going to be taking out, since 4 goes into 4 and 4 goes into 4, we're going to be taking out a 4 out of each. And since w has a square here and a w has a cube here, we're going to be taking out the w squared. Now, here, 4 and 4 are left with 1. We're not going to put the 1 since the w has a placeholder, taking out from the cube by a square. So we're going to be left with just a w to the 1 power. Don't need to put the exponent though. And then this one, we took pretty much the entire thing. So w squared and the 4, w squared and the 4. So we got to have a placeholder here. So when we take 4w squared and we want to multiply it to something to leave it the same, everybody should know that that should be a 1.